Did you see? It's an awesome video, too.
Which one?
Tim Tebow, instructional league baseball in Florida for the New York Mets. In his first instructional league game yesterday, in his first at-bat, on the first pitch, hit a home run.
Boom. Yeah, I saw that.
I'm telling you, Tim Tebow is the coolest guy in the world.
Mm-hmm.
For a million reasons, he just is the coolest guy in the world.
He really is awesome.
Now, here's the irony of all that. Tim Tebow, formerly with the, good Lord, Denver Broncos, New York Jets,
whoever
almost made the New England Patriots.
Almost made the Eagles at one time.
Nobody wanted him around because he was too much of a quote-unquote distraction because of his faith. Tim Tebow, if you recall, was pilloried, made fun of, criticized, mocked by the leftist media for kneeling on the side, for taking a knee and praising Jesus. When he would take that knee, Tebowing, they did a Saturday Night Live bit where they made fun of him for worshiping God, for worshiping Jesus. In my mind, is as sincere and motivated a Christian as you'll ever find.
Right.
And they busted him up for taking a knee to praise his Lord.
That's a darn shame.
What's Colin Kaepernick do that he's getting his ass kissed for?
He is not
taking a knee
during the national anthem.
Now, it might not be in praise of Christ. In fact, I can virtually guarantee you it's not.
No.
But one guy takes a knee, Tim Tebow, and is they try to destroy him. Another guy takes a knee, and he's on the cover of Time magazine.
Yeah.